Welcome back. Video 3 of the course. Did you to did ya. So the same idea, you to ya, but this time with past tense questions of did you to did ya. Let's go. So the first is the sound. It's about did you. So are yous, are ya, do you, do ya. But did ya, sometimes it's like did ya, did ya, did ya. A little bit more did ya. Just like do, let's be clear about why with did and the past tense verbs and how they work. Compare again the idea. You wanted to go. In English, this is a fact, not a question. In a lot of languages, to ask a question, you just change the voice. You wanted to go? You needed to buy it? But if you ask me a question in the past without did, I'm not sure. Is it a question or not? So did makes it clear that it's a question. Now did, just like do, you need to be careful. You never use did with any of the verb to be in the past of I was, did I was, did you were. Simple mistakes, but be careful please. Now, two simple verbs, or the most common verbs that change the order, is about the verb to be in the past and can in the past. Can in the past is could. So they are were you and could you. So those are two big examples that do not use did for the past. So the verbs like to be or could are 10%, and the verbs using did in past questions are 90% of verbs. So we always understand English verbs in ideas of two categories of verbs. Verbs like to be and the verbs using do, does, and did. In the past is did. So with the present tense is I do, you do, we do, they do, she does, and he does. But if you look here in the past, so the present is I do, you do, we do, they do, da da da. And the past is I did, you did, we did, they did, he did, she did. All the same word. But when we have a past tense verb, simple sentence, you wanted to buy it. Nice and simple. The past tense is the did not, didn't, you didn't want to buy it. So the past tense word is only in the affirmative, the fact you wanted. If we ask questions, is did you want to buy it? Now, we need to be careful if we have you wanted to buy it, you didn't wanted to buy it. Now, this is where you need to be careful and learn the past tense rules. That if you ask questions, did you want, never did you wanted. Because many other languages in the world do not change the past tense word like English. So the past tense word is only in the affirmative, you wanted, okay? We are interested in the sound or questions with did you. Very common to ask did you. So did you to did ya. Did ya. So after WH words or what, when, where, why, remember, you still need did for did ya. So where did you go? Where did you want to buy? What did you want to do, etc. So this is the practice session. Remember, always pause when you see the yellow and listening and repeating, training your ears and muscles. Why did you do that? Why did you? Why did you do that? So why did you? Why did you? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Where did you learn to speak English? Where did you learn? Where did you learn to speak English? Where did you learn? So the to becomes a ta. Where did you learn to speak English? Where did you learn? Where did you learn? Where did you learn? Where did you learn to speak English? How long did you live there? How long did you? How long did you live there? And how long did you? How long did you? How long did you live there? Okay, so listening and repeating, listening and repeating. How long did you live there? Did you think it was funny? Did you? Did you think it was funny? So the S in was sounds like a Z, the was. So did you think it was? Did you think it was funny? Did you think it was funny? What time did you finish work last night? What time did you? What time did you finish work last night? And then with last, you will see the silent T. Now we have a complete module about silent T, but what time did you finish work last night? So not always last night, but what time did you finish work last night? Last night. What time did you finish work last night? So we come to the end of this video here about did you to did ya. Join me in the next video when we will talk about can you to can ya.